How much for the Batmobile? $5,000. Hooks descending, guided steady. Copy, lining up on the right. Contact, securing now. Cable's tight, lift away.
Seats are completely torn, dashboard rusted through, wiring harness is a mess, debris everywhere. Note, remove all loose parts and wiring. This is going to be a major job.
Steady now, watch for the debris. Lift complete, seats clear. Drill now. Bolts are coming loose. Cured. Steady now, don't want any slips. There we go, looks solid. Blast this Batmobile engine clean. Look at that grime come off. So satisfying.
There we go. Solid and secure. All right, let's get this beast in place. Perfect alignment. Now to secure it. Bolts are tight. She's ready to roar. Quickly. Screws are tightening securely now. Final check. Looks solid. This old one out. Now for the new power source. Terminals are tight. She's ready. The new one. Sliding it in. Here it is, the fully restored 1939 Batmobile, now in a flawless glossy black. The paint reflects every detail, showcasing its iconic curves. This is the peak of automotive restoration. Thanks for watching. If you love seeing these old cars come back to life, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing restorations. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a build or a restoration story. See you in the next video.